In this session, we will learn about the structure and function of cell wall, nucleus, and cytoplasm. What is the basic difference between plant cell and animal cell? The correct answer will be cell wall. Animal cell do not contain cell wall, whereas plant, fungi, and bacteria contain cell wall outside the plasma membrane. In plant, the cell wall is made up of cellulose. The function of cell wall is to determine the shape and rigidity to the plant cell. It also prevents desiccation or drying of plant cell by avoiding the loss of water. And it also helps in the transport of substance in and out of the cell. After cell wall, let us see nucleus. So nucleus is otherwise called as the control unit of the cell or brain of the cell. Nucleus is basically dense and spherical organelle. In plant, you will see nucleus situated at the periphery, whereas in animal cell, the nucleus will be located centrally. In this slide, you will find the diagram of nucleus from eukaryotic cells, which is well-organized nucleus having nuclear envelope, nucleopores, nucleoplasm, which will contain chromosome. What is the function of nucleus? The main function of nucleus is to control the heredity characteristic of organisms. The trait and characteristic features which we acquire from our parents are called as heredity characters. It is also responsible for cellular metabolism from protein synthesis to cell division. In this slide, you will see the nucleus having nucleopores through which there will be entry and exit of substance like mRNA. And on the other side, you will find a chromosome which is present inside the nucleus. So chromosome is composed of DNA, which stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. And this DNA contains the information in the form of genes, which we acquire or which we inherit from our parents. In non-dividing cells, the DNA will appear as thread-like structure called as chromatin. Whereas in dividing cell, the same DNA will get transformed as chromosomes. So based upon the organization of nucleus, the cells can be broadly classified as prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotic cells like bacteria, which you can see here, the genetic material is scattered in the cytoplasm, and this is called as nucleoids. And on the other side, the eukaryotic cells will have well-organized nucleus. Example of eukaryotic cells are plant cells and animal cells. Here you will find more difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Our next component is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a fluid content which is present inside the plasma membrane. And in this fluid matrix, you will find all the cell organelles floating, and it supports the entry and exit of the material across the membrane.